Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show?
Oops.
Right before our eyes is one of the most spectacular moments. A massive truck unloading tons of heavy timber at the workshop. It's clear that stacking the wood on the truck was done with precision to optimize space and ensure balance at the center of gravity. Wow! A modern piece of machinery equipped with a powerful spiral drill, specially designed to handle tree stumps and deep-rooted systems in the soil. When stumps are not thoroughly removed, they can hinder new cultivation or disrupt construction processes. Similarly, are you impressed by this forestry stump handling machine? Every machine comes with its own unique advantages and limitations. However, uprooting an entire stump is made possible thanks to the stump excavator, equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful rotary mechanism. The massive size of the stump and its surrounding roots are quickly dealt with, thanks to the support of a robust engine and an optimized cutting rotation system. Oh, look at that. It's like he's riding and whipping a horse. So fascinating. What lies before us is not just a simple task, but a testament to extraordinary courage and remarkable skill. When performing tasks at heights of several dozen meters, the worker must not only contend with environmental factors like strong winds, high humidity, or unstable tree surfaces, but also execute each saw cut with precision. This ensures the tree is cut properly without posing a danger to themselves or those on the ground. To help you understand better, let's take a closer look from the perspective of a high-altitude tree cutter. With years of experience in the trade, you can see that his rope climbing skills are truly remarkable. It may look simple, but when you actually try to do it, it's incredibly challenging. Oh my God, this guy is even more incredible. He swung on a rope from the tree to the roof and then down to the ground. What a skill! But please don't try this at home. For maximum safety, we should combine the use of ladders and ropes, just like this guy. Using safety equipment such as harnesses, helmets, and specialized climbing gear allows workers to maintain stability on vertical tree trunks. And balance effectively while sawing. Additionally, modern chainsaws are designed to be lightweight yet incredibly powerful, enabling workers to operate efficiently even in tight spaces or challenging angles. The mistake made by these two men in handling the tree resulted in severe consequences as the tree fell directly onto the roof, causing significant damage. Let's analyze the reasons and lessons from this situation. It seems the workers failed to thoroughly assess the tree's center of gravity, the resistance from wind or surrounding factors. Cutting down a tree requires creating a precise and deep enough cut at the correct angle to guide its fall direction. In areas near residential structures, using ropes or support equipment to control the tree's fall direction is crucial. The clear consequence here is the partial destruction of the house's roof, highlighting the importance of careful planning, The sight of a red vehicle towing a truck carrying tons of timber through a swampy terrain is a clear testament to the power of machinery and its ability to handle harsh environments. With its wide track system, the vehicle can distribute its weight evenly across the ground, preventing it from sinking into the mud. This allows it to easily tow other vehicles or heavy cargo, even in complex and challenging landscapes.
얘가
달고 먹는 또 이런 거.
아이고 싼다.
Oh my God! When he just cut off the top of the tree, it started swaying back and forth violently, so dangerous. Luckily, he was able to avoid injury when he fell from that height. This stump grinder is equipped with high-speed rotating grinding or cutting blades, capable of grinding down and completely removing the stump, including exposed roots. When the machine operates, its powerful engine drives the blades, and compared to using an excavator or a handsaw, the stump grinder can process a large stump in just a few minutes, significantly saving time and labor. The grinding process generates wood chips that can be reused on site, minimizing waste and enhancing the ability to recycle natural resources. Wow! This tree clearing machine has the ability to handle everything from the roots to the crown, turning the entire tree into chips in an instant. It can process multiple small trees at once in just a few minutes, from chopping down the tree, grinding the trunk, to cutting the branches into smaller pieces. This saves a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to manual methods. The wood chips created during the shredding process can be used as organic fertilizer, mulch for covering soil, or even as biomass fuel. With its compact design and track system, the machine can easily move across various terrains, from soft ground to steep or rugged landscapes. Oh, seeing a man bring down a massive tree without damaging the nearby fence is a clear testament to his technical knowledge, years of experience, and exceptional skill.
Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh. Oops.
This stump grinder is equipped with a high-speed rotating grinding wheel, integrated with ultra-durable cutting blades. When in operation, the grinding wheel directly contacts the surface of the stump, gradually grinding down layers of wood until the entire stump is turned into sawdust. The machine can process large stumps in just a few minutes, instead of the hours required by traditional methods. With its quick processing capability and ability to create reusable byproducts, this device not only optimizes labor productivity, but also contributes to promoting sustainable development. A typical example of the severe impact of natural disasters on our living environment and how humans respond quickly and effectively. In this situation, an excavator is performing a challenging task, dragging a massive tree trunk that was uprooted by a storm, with its roots torn out and the tree leaning onto the roof. Large trees with extensive root systems are often victims of strong winds. When wind speeds exceed the tree's tolerance, especially on soft or waterlogged soil, the roots can no longer provide enough grip to keep the tree upright. A creative and intelligent design in the wood processing industry, this device combines a standard chainsaw with a stabilizing system and an automatic throttle mechanism. This integration enhances efficiency, safety, and precision during the wood cutting process. The chainsaw is securely mounted on a sturdy metal frame. This ensures the saw remains stable, reduces vibrations, and guarantees precise cutting. When a log enters the cutting zone, the throttle is automatically activated to start the blade and begin the cutting process. Once the wood is cut and moved out of the cutting area, the system automatically shuts off the throttle, ensuring safety and fuel efficiency. Oh, a crane is lifting a massive log that was just cut down from high above. Oh my God, it seems like the crane's load capacity wasn't enough, and it immediately flipped over, tipping back. Oh, this is a convenient, highly portable technological solution that meets various needs in the forestry industry. This wood chipper is connected to the tractor's drivetrain via a power takeoff PTO shaft, providing energy to operate the chipper without the need for a separate engine. The wood chips or debris created during the chipping process are pushed out through a discharge chute and directly into a collection bag, ready for transport or use. A modern industrial wood grinder designed to quickly and efficiently process large logs into small wood chips. The logs are placed on an automatic conveyor belt, which moves them into the grinding unit. This conveyor is equipped with serrated teeth to securely hold and push the wood into the machine safely. With high capacity, the machine can handle tons of wood in a short period. The resulting wood chips can be used as raw material for various purposes, such as paper production, biomass fuel pellets, or as mulch in agriculture.